Hey Royal family, hope everyone is doing okay, and happy Labor Day. I just wanted to come on and do a quick video in case you haven't started cooking yet, and we're going to do some baked beans. I did baked beans about 2 weeks ago, but it was for a party of 60, and I should have videoed it then, but I didn't. But I'm going to video it today. Hopefully you can use it for today for your event. All right, with that being said, let me just say from now on, when I do a dish, I'm going to tell you how many servings that you can get out of the dish. So just in case you want to double the recipe, you will know, okay, this makes 2, so I need to double it to make 4, so on and so on. All right, here I prefer Kraft barbecue sauce. I have ketchup. I have chopped bell pepper. I have chopped onions. I have yellow mustard. And I have my seasoning of salt, garlic powder, black pepper. I have a can of Bush's baked bean, the classic with bacon and brown sugar. You guys, make sure when you do your Bush's beans or whatever beans you use, drain the liquid off of it. Because once we add the barbecue sauce, the ketchup and all of that, it will form its own liquid. So make sure you drain all of the liquid off of your beans, but I'll show you. And usually I put brisket in my baked beans, but don't have any, so what I'm going to use is smoked sausage. And yes, we're going to fry these up and put them in the baked beans, but we're not going to use all that oil, okay? This right here will give it a nice smoky flavor. Plus, we're going to add just a little of liquid smoke, which will take it to the next level. All right, let me open up the beans. Let's mix all the ingredients and then put it in the oven. Also, you don't need to cook the beans. The beans are already cooked. All you want to do is heat it thoroughly. So you're going to put it on 375 in your oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. I would suggest you leave it uncovered because you don't want your beans mushy. You still want them firm like they are in the can, but you're not going to slow cook them at 350. That's too long. It will make them mushy. All right, let's get started. All right, I am browning up the sausage, as you guys can see. And then we're just going to drain all of that excess grease off. All right? Okay, I've drained my sausage through my little strainer. So all we're going to do now is start dumping. Okay? I've drained all of the juice off of the beans. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and start heating your oven up to 375, which in this video here, I'm going to use my air fryer. You can use an air fryer if you like, but I would suggest the oven. Okay, there are the drained beans. You see, there's no juice from the beans. So let's do our barbecue sauce. Okay, let's do our mustard. And of course, I will have the measurements in the description box below. Let's do our ketchup. And you want your vegetables finely chopped because you don't want big pieces of onions. Okay, let's do our onions. Let's do our bell peppers. When I tell you this is gonna be bomb, it's gonna be bomb. And let's add our seasonings. And I'm gonna say 1/4 of a teaspoon of the liquid smoke. You don't want a lot, okay? That should be it. Now all we're going to do is start mixing. And I'm going to show you how you'll have your own juices instead of the bean juice. If you're going to do this serving for 2, I would suggest using an 8x8. If you're going to double it, I would suggest using a 9x13. And also, you can taste your beans now to see if you have enough barbecue sauce, if you have enough mustard. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it. Okay, for me, I would like a little more barbecue sauce. So I said 1 tablespoon. We're going to add 2. And this, you guys, is my favorite. I know some of you guys like is it the other one, the Ray? But I like Kraft better than I do Bobby Ray's. So make sure to taste your beans. There you go. There's also a certain color that I look for. All right, let me put these in the pan. 375 for 30 to 45 minutes. And halfway there, take it out and stir it and then put it back in. So I'm gonna say after 15 or 20 minutes, take it out and stir it and then put it back in. All right, when I come back, I will show you the finished product and presentation of our barbecue baked beans with smoked sausage. By the way, those sausage were beef smoked sausage.